My name is Katie Hauk. I'm the Executive Director for Urban Harvest STL. We are a nonprofit that manages 5 urban farms within the city of St. Louis. Our mission is to build community around local and resilient food systems. We do that by both growing food and donating that to other nonprofit partners that then distribute that to communities that have low access and are low income and might not have the available produce or land to grow themselves. We also have a lot of emphasis on education and teaching people how to grow no matter what their resources or their space may be. Everything that we do is in partnership with another organization that has invited us into their space, and that really is a basis for a lot of our programming. We have people that are coming to us that have never gardened before and want to start a raised bed in their backyard. We have retirees that, they're done with their working lives and really want to reinvest in gardening, which they may have done, they may not have done. And we also have people that are wanting to start community gardens for their neighborhood. The organization was really forced to look at itself and see, what is our mission? How does this align with what the needs of the community are? And what more can we be doing? And so that's really when I think education became more of a centerpiece of the mission. We have an early childhood education garden program. We have 2 farms that are located at early learning centers and received some USDA funding last year to expand that program. And so a lot of this off-season really has been planning for how do we grow this program. Currently, we're part of a collaborative with 4 other BIPOC-led urban farms in St. Louis. This collaborative will again provide additional education, expand the audience that has access to these trainings, as well as provide these small seed grants to again support people in what their growing issue or their interest may be. And so a lot of the off-season has been planning that and structuring it and meeting with these partners. We're going to need to be a little more innovative and inventive in how we're growing during the off-season, and we hope to be able to do more. So a lot of the things that we do to prepare our farms, we want to develop some workshops that will help others do the same thing. Ethical community engagement really is the foundation for what we do. We're always learning. By no means do we have this thing down, but I hope that we're moving in the right direction and really value the relationships that we have built and only look to strengthen those.